everybody, good afternoon. Heather here with Van Leeuwen Garage. We are getting ready to load the Chevelle up. It is finally the day that we are getting ready to take the Chevelle over to our good buddy Grant, and he is going to fix the transmission for us. So yay, it's finally here. I'm super excited. Justin is getting ready to come over. We're actually going to trailer the Chevelle over because it's only about 36 degrees here in Kansas, and I don't want to freeze my butt off driving it. We got about 45-minute drive from where I live at over to where Grant lives at, and so that's a little bit of a drive, and I didn't want to freeze since I don't have a heater in the Chevelle that drive. So we are going to trailer the Chevelle over to him. So that's what you're going to see today. So come along with us. We're super excited. Hot rodding it. It's running low. I'll have to check my transmission fluid. Okay, where are these? You like? You like? Transmission painted out over here.
That one was better to fill it up right there or the other in the back.
I feel like, I think Cass went on the other side when we changed the oil light to it.
This side's got a baffle in it.
It does. It's got that darn baffle on that side. Boy, I can't wait to not have to crawl under here and get these pants.
What have you been using?
Right here. I might have to clean the transmission fluid out of it. Did the tires look okay on the trailer?
I didn't even get a chance to look yet. I figured we'd get it on the trailer and then see what they look like after we get the weight on them. Got that truck done. I was like, I'm gonna get out of here before somebody else So, I learned who Cass was the other day, didn't even realize it.
You know,
I knew his uncle.
yeah, they race.
Mike, his Uncle Mike. I knew Mike when I was younger, but,
So he grew up like in this, like racing and all this.
yeah, they were circle track,
Yeah.
dirt racing. Yeah.
I'm gonna check the transmission.
Oh. Let me pump it a couple times. Something's making it wind up. Yeah, 'cause it's barely turning that thing.
What the heck? I do have it. It's in the house.
We might throw that valve on real quick
Okay.
because he'll wanna have that working.
Okay, I have it in the house. Yep.
That thing wasn't even turning there for a second.
Here, I'll let you open this and I'm gonna go grab my good light.
Okay.
It's in the house.
Okay. Where's the bell? Is it just the belt in that box?
Yep, should be.
We got a pretty big box for the belt.
Right? I know. Ridiculous.
They ship some of that these days. Some of that stuff will come in a box that's 10 times the size.
I know, ordered that one off of Summit. And Riley's didn't have the right belt.
Oh, really?
I had to get that one off Summit.
It's starting to wear on the top of it.
It was janky.
Make sure.
It should be.
They were the same number, weren't they?
Yeah, I made sure.
I would, well, we're gonna have to run it on that front one, I guess. I can't remember how we had to do that the other day when we left it. It's on the second groove back. Just hope it clears that pulley, that's what I'm worried about. Cause it really ought to be on the groove behind it. It's gonna go up against that water pump pulley when I. Yeah, if you come over here and look at it, it's right up against that water pump pulley already. And then when you pull it up, it gets closer. I think think it was run on the back one before, but that pump's so crooked. It's kind of veering off that way. I don't remember. Was this flipped over the other way? Possibly. This bracket.
Bracket had like this thing that came out here, but it didn't connect to anything. It would just hung out here. And so we cut this off.
Yeah. Let me see if I can put that belt on that back and just see what it looks like on the back side. Maybe. Yeah. I'll get it on there. On the one behind that there. I think it's gonna work. I need something to pry it up so I can.
I got the board here.
Oh, yeah, that big one will work.
That big one? Okay.
I can figure out a good way to. I'll stick it in the pry bar in that area. I'm gonna try to. Leave the nothing down there to pry against. I know what I can do. I can go get a little bit heavier screwdriver and stick it in that slot. There's that. I think that's coming a lot better. I mean, it's still not quite as straight as I'd like it to be, but it'll work better than what it was, because before it was getting up in that other pulley, and that new belt would probably look like that after running for a little while.
Yeah.
I think you'd be all right there. I probably will use that pry bar for this though. Get that other belt put back on. There we go. Just keep that.
Tension on it.
Yeah, that way.
Okay. Got it.
That's good. I'll tighten it just a little bit more. I was going to get away from that fan blade. In case I slipped. Now I bet she don't squawk. Alright. Check the fluid on it.
Alright. Hard back out.
I mean, if it's not too low, I probably wouldn't even add any because he's going to drain it anyway. check it is when it's hot. So I don't know if this one says it. It says full when it's hot.
Yes.
So if it's down here when it's cold, that fluid when it warms up, that fluid expands actually. So it's like if you took a solo cup of transmission fluid that was cold and one that was hot, it actually looks like it's more fluid when it's hot. So that's what that means on there about when it says full when it's hot. I didn't know if you do that.
the Chevy. We got to get a video of it.
I got it. Okay.
Hey guys, we just got over here to Grant's shop here, and so I have the Chevelle right here behind me. And so as y'all know, the transmission has been leaking and I want to beef it up a little bit. And this is Grant. Hi, Grant.
Hi.
We are going to be putting a stall in it. And so Grant's going to kind of explain to y'all like what all we're going to be doing to this transmission.
So sounds like we've got a turbo 350 in this thing. So a couple easy upgrades is that everybody does is just a simple shift kit, a little more firm, quick shift, let the transmission perform and the engine perform a little bit better to get power to the rear wheels. We're going to complement her camshaft in the engine with a little bit of stall to get it to operating range to where it can work and perform better as well. Other things, as far as leaks, that's a pretty standard repair. Other upgrades that we're probably going to do is there's an outer sprag race that's weak on the 350s, and we're going to put a good hardened sprag from Sonax in there. Probably do a little bit heavier duty low reverse sprag that'll help out for the manually shifted burnouts that she plans on doing. So we're going to dare her to tear it up, and but pretty simple, straightforward overhaul. Use some good frictions and steels and bands, and we'll fix her up good. So
We're going to tackle it on Monday. So stay tuned, you guys, for that episode. With this, I'm going to come back on Monday and we're going to film that process of us putting the car up on the lift, and we're going to tear the transmission out, and we're going to show you all of that. Grant's going to walk you through every process of it, and we're going to see what that transmission really looks like once we tear it out. So we're excited, and we'll see you on the next episode, you guys. Thanks for coming along today.